Made it. So here's a quick video of me putting together my new table saw with a little bit of a review in it. Honestly, I can't rate this table saw enough. If you live in the UK and you do have the funds for one, I did pay for this, and apart from I'd maybe suggest having two people when you put it together, it's a great saw. I absolutely love it, and I can't recommend Axminster enough. They're a great company. The people that work there I've found always been really helpful. I have seen some bad reviews about the instructions that come with the table saw, but honestly I had no problem following them. They were very clear, the pictures were great, and well, here it is. Okay, so I got it all together. It took a few hours to put the table saw together. The instructions are really clear. They weren't that difficult. I don't think it was particularly hard to put together. It ran up first time. Obviously you can see I've not put the extension table on the back yet, purely because that I'm probably going to build a workbench to go behind this that will sort of have as an outfeed table as well. I have used one of the side extension tables that came with the original sort of table saw, but I've also used, I also bought these extra extension tables that are cast iron. Really simple to install. They do have some adjustment with them that allowed me to make sure that it was flat and square. I think it's great. It's a lot quieter than my previous table saw. It's much sturdier. The wax that Axminster give you with this table saw, I put a thin coat on, and everything just glides across this. So here's a few test cuts that I did, just so you can see me using the saw really. Love the fence. It's smooth, it's accurate, it's really easy to move, really easy to clamp down. There's no movement in this whatsoever. It's a really good design. The mitre fence that comes with it, it's got a really smooth action. Slides in. There's absolutely no movement whatsoever. It's a really tight fit. Really smooth. And that's in both of the mitre slots. Really smooth. The adjustment wheels are great. They come with little handles that flip out. You pull them, flip straight back up. Adjustment's really easy. It's a really smooth action on the movement. This one lifts the saw up and down. The other one is for the angle. I've tested this with my digital protractor. 0 is 90 degrees to the table. 45 is exactly 45. It's a really well engineered table saw. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. I also have a Patreon page if you'd like to keep supporting me and doing what I'm doing. I'll leave a link for that down below in the description.